How to host multiplayer Palworld on Xbox. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Now to host a multiplayer on Palworld, all you have to do is basically two things. Firstly, if you are creating a new world, make sure that you select the option of multiplayer under the option of world settings. Now, if you want to play multiplayer in the existing world, all you have to do is select the existing world, then head to the game option and select the option of multiplayer. Once you do this, initiate the game of your pal world. Pause the game and tap on the setting gear option to check out your unique code. This will differ according to each session, so make sure to share it right along with your friends or write it down. They can enter the code and easily be able to play along with you in your multiplayer session of your pal world. And that is pretty much it for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.